seasons come and go like thoughts of you.
Good morning, my love. So I posted my first apartment vlog yesterday and I got such good comments. I got so much support from you guys that I'm just like, all right, let's do it. Let's vlog as often as possible. If you're interested, I'm here to make the content because I absolutely love making vlogs. It's so fun for me. So it's a Saturday morning and I'm waiting for my friends Sasa and Danny to get here so that we can go hiking. We're going to Runyon and then probably to like a cute little brunch and to tan. Fun Saturday off. Tomorrow night I'm doing a group guided manifestation for one of our baby Ellies, Michaela. It's gonna be on the Facebook group. It's gonna be over by the time you guys see this. But if you're not part of the Facebook group already, there's like 10,000 baby elephants over there. Go join right now. If you ever have pressing questions, that's the place to get them answered. Let me update you guys a little bit on what's going on over here. First of all, got a mirror. This will be really good for outfit pictures, outfit of the day. Today's outfit's not so interesting. I don't have any furniture really in the bedroom. I'm going to finish all the other rooms and then go to the bedroom last. The couch, this is still the old couch. I get the new one in 4 days. Still no dining room chairs. I cleaned today, I cleaned this morning. It's Saturday, so I had some time to do some chores. Wash the floors, wash some laundry. You wanna see the outdoor. I know you wanna see the outdoor because it's just perfect. I manifested this balcony. It's the balcony of my dreams. I use Pinterest vision board to get everything here. Even that, you'll never believe it. So I've been looking for Moroccan poofs online and in stores for months. I just kept putting them on my Pinterest board and I kept looking for them, but they're all made out of leather. And you guys know as a vegan, I don't buy anything made out of leather, so I couldn't buy it. I've looked everywhere for them basically. About a month ago, I went to Home Goods and I found one that was not leather, but it looked really like toyish. It didn't look legit at all, and it wasn't nice. It was gray. It didn't match what I had in mind. I have this one picture in mind from Pinterest and I wanted that exact poof. So I went yesterday to Home Goods, it was yesterday, to get these new pillows. And let me tell you what happened. So first of all, I went in there with really high vibrations. I was really excited to get these pillows for my day bed, and I knew that I wanted cream with like sparkly something in there. I'm walking through Home Goods and they have all the right pillows, but in the wrong colors, in gray, in blues, and greens, no creams. But I didn't get upset or anything. I'm just like, okay, I'll come another day. I'm sure they'll have it another day. As I have that thought, I turn around and I find this beautiful faux leather cream colored Moroccan poof. I got that. I'm like, oh my god, yes, I'm so happy. I can't believe this actually exists. I manifested this from my mind from looking at this picture for so long and just saying like, I want that. And then as I'm like excited over this, as my vibes are just so high, a worker pulls up with brand new fresh pillows. All the pillows I was looking at in off-white, all in creams and off-white. They weren't there before, but the universe provided. That's just a small little lesson. Like, even if you can't see it, it exists somewhere, or you can make it exist. Don't be discouraged when you don't see it. Just be excited and know that it's going to be yours eventually. I'm so happy with this. I'm really happy with how it's turning out. I think that I need more floor pillows, and I just ordered some lights to put up there. We're gonna put plants here, plants there. I'm gonna do a little herb garden over the rail. And then I have these candles that were sent to me from Lifestone. So these beautiful candles with crystals on top of them. It's attached. They were sent to me from Lifestone. It's the same company that makes the crystal gemstone soaps that I use in the bath. So this one is the Aura Cleanse, I believe. It kind of smells like sage. Look how beautiful this is. And you can keep the container afterwards when this is done. They use only pure essential oils to make their candles. It's vegan, cruelty free, no glues used to adhere the wicks, so you can use reuse the container, and you get a crystal within it once it's done burning. Kind of nice. That one is the higher self one, but I'm gonna light this one right now because I've been having a lot of people coming in and out of the home. So it's kind of nice to just cleanse the aura and cleanse your home after having strange people that you don't know who are here obviously for services to help you, to build things, to deliver things. It's nice to light some sort of cleansing like how I did Palo Santo or sage, but I'm gonna do this right now because it smells so good. And I'm only gonna light it for a little bit because I want to keep it for nighttime, you know, when I have people outside in the backyard, in the balcony. I love candles, and Lifestyle makes they smell amazing. I'm so happy about it. And the fact that they come with those reusable jars, I'm going to definitely use that. Maybe in my bedroom to put like some stones in there or something. It's a really good container for crystals. Okay, so apparently it's too hot to hike. So instead of hiking, we're just drinking iced coffee.
And eating chocolate chips.
And it really is hot. It's unexpectedly hot. In Runyon, it gets hot even when it's cold out when you're on the top of the mountain. So we're just gonna go have breakfast or something and maybe work out at my gym.
It's like a restaurant.
Taking my supplements.
With an avocado. Taking my wellness shot.
So I'm taking ashwagandha, maca, rhodiola. Basically, I've started this new supplement routine in order to help my memory, like I boost my memory and stuff. And the reason why I'm taking all of this is because my powder is not ready yet. When my powder is ready, it's going to replace all of this because it has everything. It has the maca, the ashwagandha, it has holy basil leaf. It has literally everything that goes into these supplements is going to be in my powder, and it's going to give you focus and energy, enhance brain power, and you're not gonna have to take 8 pills a day, twice a day like I do.
I know. It's great.
My vlogging boyfriend.
I'm gonna make it right, babe.
Thank you. I got my San Pellegrino.
I wanna try it.
Sparkling Orangina.
Really
Oh,
good.
it just comes like a... Man, I messed up. I should have got like...
You guys can have some of this. It's so good. It's filling.
This is mock tuna in a salad and mock tuna on a toast. You're wasting battery.
They'll think you're famous.
Go get ice cream. Oh, yeah.
Here, give her my card. I love that for your balcony, Leor.
This, right?
That's cute too. Oh my god, this place is so cute. Do you want me talking? Look at this place, guys.
Look at this huge I kind of want you to get
This is like a wonderland.
$10,000.
Oh my god.
Any company out there wants to send me one?
Look at all these little crystals.
Oh, they're so beautiful. See, this is the small one that's on my table.
These are so cool. These are heaven on earth. And they're vegan.
It's Saturday night and I'm making some mock tuna. Just completely dressed for the club.
Or you just put in like this.
And they'll just move away from me.
No, you don't know something else. So like,
No,
use this.
not anything. What? Get your hairs out of there.
Oh yeah, smart girl.
What Danny was doing, what Danny is doing for me. She's making a mock tuna salad for me that I need to bring tomorrow to my grandparents' 70th anniversary
That's so
brunch.
cute.
70 years together. Crazy.
Good.
So if you want to make, it's like a tuna salad, and all you do is you get a few cans of garbanzo beans and mush them up. Danny's mushing them up with a whisk.
And
We
it
use
gave
3
about this
cans,
much.
and it serves
Generous
probably like
amount.
8 people, probably.
Yeah.
And then you're gonna put in celery pieces in it, like sliced up celery. We used vegan mayo from Trader Joe's. We used about like 3 tablespoons of it, and then a bit of Dijon mustard and some red wine vinegar. And then we're gonna flavor it with seasonings. We're gonna use garlic powder, cayenne, turmeric. Hi, my baby loves. It's the next day. I'm just getting ready to run out. Like I was saying yesterday, it's my grandparents' 70th anniversary today. So everybody's making something, all the grandchildren are making something and we are bringing it to their house with flowers and balloons and stuff. I'm just cleansing my face with my witch hazel right now. And then I'm just gonna put some SPF vitamin C moisturizer on, and then that's it. I don't really wear makeup, as you guys already know, in my daily life, if I'm not going out or recording. Tonight I have that group manifestation on Facebook, so I was just preparing it right now, and I think it's gonna be beautiful because when you get together for a group to manifest, when a group gets together to manifest, not only are we doing something good for that person that we're helping to manifest, but we are also doing so much good for ourselves and for the entire world, because we add to that positive consciousness. So I'm really excited for that. And then I have to record Manifestation Monday, get that up for tomorrow. I'm really into this daily vlogging thing. I like it a lot. I think we could do it. I think I can get into doing it. Maybe just one vlog a week, but showing you the entire week. And there were such good recommendations. You guys wanted my exercise routine, my meditation, there were so many good recommendations. I wrote a lot of them down. I'm gonna make sure that I incorporate all of those into just a week in my life kind of thing. I'm reading this incredible book right now, Mind to Matter, which I just picked up at Barnes & Noble. I just intuitively picked it up. I didn't see any reviews on it or see anybody speaking about it or anything. It's amazing. It's absolutely incredible. I've only just begun it. I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you updated. I will do a whole video on books that I recommend. I haven't done that yet, and we'll do it soon. Promise. Just grabbing the fake tuna salad I made. It's so delicious. I made some extra for the week. My favorite Kite Hill cream cheese, chive, vegan cream cheese. I haven't opened it yet, so I decided to bring it to the brunch today. And I think I'll bring this also. That reminds me, I had to show you guys my milk and eggs haul before I ate everything. So let's rewind to last week. Milk and eggs delivery just got here, so I'm putting everything away. There's boxes everywhere still, so excuse that. I got a ton of stuff because I just gotta fill up the fridge. Mostly it's all healthy. I'm keeping the apartment super healthy. My lemons, I can't live without lemons. Everyone was laughing and were saying how the first thing I'm gonna get for my apartment is a bowl of lemons. It was actually like the second thing, but it really was. I got some bananas, mangoes. These are bananas from Trader Joe's. They're also still not ready. Tons of avocados, grapefruit, because I've been having tons of grapefruit lately. And then now the fridge is full. I got a bunch of vegetables and fruit so that, you know, when I'm hungry during the day while working, I can just reach for something healthy. It's in reach. I got way too much almond milk and stuff. I don't think I realized I got so much. I really like having my friends over to have coffee, so that'll be good. Some yogurts, my garlic paste thing, my chive Kite Hill cream cheese that's made from almond milk's best cream cheese ever. All my kombucha, coconut water, and I bought a bunch of core shots. I just feel like I feel a lot better when I have one of these in the morning. So yeah, that's my milk and eggs haul. If you're in the Los Angeles or I believe Orange County area and you want groceries delivered from farm to your doorstep, use my code. You get $20 off, so you can buy like $40 worth of things but get them for $20. So it helps me, it helps you, and yeah, only good quality products, guys. I think a really great way to eat this tuna salad is to just prepare some ahead of time on Sunday, and then just do a scoop of it on top of toast or salad or whatever you feel like throughout the week. My babies are here. We got the flowers, we got the dog. Sorry, baby.
Doggy is a little.
We got Nikki.
Little girl high with me.
Hi, honey.
Oh, just stepped on his head.
Oh, my skin. My grandma's famous lemon tree that we lived under for the past like 20 years. Hello, friends and family.
Seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change, but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason. But I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season.
No fresh towels and